With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question and the question says a ball of mass m is suspended from a point with a massless string of length l in form of a pendulum. This ball is given a horizontal velocity that is root over of 4gl at bottommost point. When string makes an angle 60 degree from lower vertical AC by AT is equal to P. Write the value of P square. So initially what is the position? So this is the position of ball, pendulum, and finally this is at this position. This is 60 degree, right? So it is given velocity that is root over of 4gl, right? Now here there would be a centripetal acceleration and there would be a tangential acceleration here. There would be obviously mg here, right? Now at would be equal to g sine of 60 degree. This would be mg cos 60, this would be mg sine 60. So this acceleration would be g sine 60, so that is root 3 g by 2. And centripetal acceleration would be equal to v square by r. So that would be equal to, first of all we need to find the velocity here. So velocity at this point. So first of all half mv square, that is root 4gl, would be 4gl would be equal to, and the potential energy with respect to this position for this is minus mgl, because it is in downward direction, negative direction. That would be equal to half mv square minus mgl cos 60. That would be the cos 60 component, right? Cos 60 component. So from here what we could say is m gets cancelled. So this would be 2gl minus gl, that would be equal to half v square minus gl cos 60. So cos 60 would be equal to half. So this also would be half. So here we get 2gl equals v square minus gl. So v square turns out to be equal to 3gl, right? So centripetal acceleration can be written as 3gl by r. So that is v square. So r, the radius is nothing but the l. So that is equal to 3g. So the ratio of centripetal to tangential AC by AT is given by P, denoted by P. So AC is 3g and that is root 3g by 2. So that would be equal to 2 root 3. So our answer would be equal to P square, that is equal to 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. So P square would be equal to 12. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.